Origen Biomedical was founded in 1997 and is a privately held medical device manufacturer headquartered in Austin, Texas. At Origen, our focus is on the patient, and we work each day to ensure that people and their care are factored into each decision we make about our products. Origen provides critical medical devices for cell culture and cryopreservation in an array of materials, shapes, and sizes. Product quality is the foundation of all of our product designs at Origen. Each product is produced with the intention that it will improve patient health, and we maintain the highest standards to ensure that our product quality represents this goal. Origen is certified annually to ISO 13485 standards and is regularly inspected by the FDA and our customers. We maintain certifications to CGMPs, and our products are registered with regulatory agencies worldwide. We offer superior products and real customer service. You will actually talk to a person when you call. Origen strives to be a partner committed to providing you with solutions tailored to your specific needs and not just as another supplier. As an Origen customer, you can be sure that the same attention to detail has gone into every product with the Origen label. We listen to our customers and work with them to develop products that meet their needs, and we strive to find product solutions to make your operations more intuitive, safer, and efficient. Origen's engineers will work with you to develop products that fit your lab practices, not make you change your practices to fit the products. The devices that Origen makes are of materials that are extremely well suited for tissue storage, cell culture, stem cell expansion, and long-term cryopreservation.
The Origen CryoStore bag is indicated for freezing blood components at any temperature. It has the traceability, durability, and safety that you need. Origen CryoStore bags are regularly inspected by the FDA and held to ISO 13485 standards. Users enjoy features like hermetically sealed EVA spike port to maintain sterility, needle-free access for safety, and matching donor tube printing for traceability. Each donor tube has 4 uniquely printed segments. When sealed on the X, each segment contains 100 microliters. This matching number is also printed on the bag to ensure that you can trace each segment back to the original bag when it is removed for testing. A permanent lot number is heat welded into the tail of each bag. Our CryoStore line is constructed of EVA film and comes in a range of sizes, with a wide variety of tubing and multi-bag set configurations built to customer requirements. The hermetically sealed spike ports and film used in every CryoStore bag are made from a more rugged EVA than that used in other bags. The proof of durability is in our customers' success. Each bag can be customized to connect to your transfer bags, and tubing sets can be provided to make the transitions and placement within a hood easier and much more user-friendly. The donor tube is intentionally placed in the corner of the bag for easier debubbling and sealing. Origen can provide your choice of several standard or custom tube sets. You can order multiple bag sets prefabricated to reduce processing time and the possibility of contamination in the lab. All standard tubing sets now have a needle-free injection site that can be actuated with a standard syringe. This will enable your lab to reduce the number of needle stick incidences. The donor tube on the CryoStore bag set can be sealed on each of the X's. This will enable the user to have a known volume for each stored aliquot. The tubing is co-extruded with EVA and is therefore more rugged in liquid nitrogen.
The Origen OWRAP Overwrap bag is a safe, economical way to protect bags and other items used for cryopreservation. The OWRAP bag combines tough, low-temperature durability with excellent flexibility, impact, and puncture resistance. The OWRAP bag is made of EVO copolymer, which has been developed specifically for direct immersion in liquid nitrogen. It remains flexible in liquid nitrogen phase, has high puncture resistance, and is ideal for cryogenic storage and shipment. The OWRAP bag has greater than 90% optical transmission, making inspection of its contents easy even when frozen. The OWRAP bag is easily sealed with standard RF or inexpensive impulse heat seal equipment. The resulting seal is clear, making inspection of the seal simple. Because the OWRAP bag is not intended to contain biological products, it can be labeled with adhesive labels or by writing directly on the OWRAP bag. The OWRAP bag is designed as an added protection for your CryoStore bag. However, you may place labels, aliquots, samples, and other materials inside the OWRAP bag prior to cryopreservation. This will allow these materials to remain with the CryoStore bag throughout the freezing and thawing cycles.
The Origen SteriZip is intended to provide a simple-to-use, safe, and sterile environment for your CryoStore bags when thawing in a water bath. Each SteriZip is inspected, cleaned, and pouched in our Class 8 clean room. The SteriZip bags will arrive sterile and in a zippered position, packed into a pouch. The applications of sterile zippered bags are numerous. SteriZips may provide you with a sterile container in which to keep your supplies if you wish to prepare them ahead of time. By simply placing your CryoStore product inside the SteriZip and then rezipping, you can easily thaw your product in a water bath. Upon closing the SteriZip, please ensure that you remove enough air so that the SteriZip will allow you to massage the CryoStore bag while thawing. The SteriZip ensures the CryoStore bag stays out of direct contact with the water bath, thereby decreasing the possibility of contamination and creating an event that will require more paperwork. The SteriZip bag can be a safe and sterile transport container of laboratory and sterility samples throughout your institution.
Sterile filtered dimethyl sulfoxide, or DMSO, is available in a variety of packages, concentrations, and volumes designed for lab use. Origen DMSO solutions are packaged in syringes or vials. Both packages are water clear and shatter resistant. Our DMSO products are CE marked and certified USP and Pharmacopoeia Europa standards. DMSO dextran solutions are available in a variety of concentrations and formulations. Custom formulations are available with minimum volume requirements. All Origen syringes are shipped in a tray to prevent any damage while in transit. Additionally, DMSO and DMSO dextran-filled sterile syringes are fitted with stopcocks and are shipped with the actuator blocked for safety. CryoPure D vials are supplied with green flip-up, tear-off caps and contain 55% weight by volume DMSO, 5% dextran 40 with the remainder water. CryoPure vials with white caps contain 100% DMSO and are available in 10, 50, 70, and 100 milliliter fill volumes. These vials can be actuated either with a needle or with a needle-free vial spike as shown. This will allow you to reduce the number of needles used in your lab.
Origen supplies a variety of spike adapters for cell transfer, recovery, and administration. All are packed individually in a peel pouch and are sold sterile. All materials are USP Class 4 devices. Origen can provide tube sets in several stock configurations, but also in any custom configuration. Origen currently manufactures two types of spike adapters for spiking the CryoStore bag. These are the CBS and the IBS. Empty sterile syringes can be sterile docked to your collection, transfer, and freezing bag sets to collect units for bacterial sampling and other routine testing. The vented vial spike is an intelligent re-engineering of a familiar item. The combination of a vial spike and a needle-free valve that is 100% DMSO resistant results in sturdy construction with a user-friendly design. This part will increase safety in the laboratory environment by contributing to a needle-free protocol, therefore reducing the number of needle stick incidences. Usage creates a system that reduces evaporation, leakage, and potential contamination of products in vials. The clips on the vial spike lock it into place for added stability during operation. This product can be swabbed with isopropyl alcohol to preserve repeatable aseptic transfer.
The Origen Permalife cell culture bags represent the optimal way to harvest, expand, concentrate, and freeze critical cell cultures. Made of FEP, the Permalife bag contains no plasticizers or chemical residuals, which can leach into and alter delicate cell cultures. Because FEP is inert, antibodies, cytokines, and other genetic material are unaffected by the Permalife bag. Swabbable, needle-free valves are provided on every Permalife bag to preserve sterile access. Permalife FEP bags are a closed system, so the possibility of contamination is greatly reduced. The Permalife bag has an optical transmission of greater than 95%, and observation of the cultures under a microscope is possible without risking contamination of the culture. Permalife bags are gas permeable, and provide a high rate of oxygen transfer to cells under culture. Additionally, water permeability is very low, so water loss is negligible, and humidified incubators are not required.
The Origen Evolve cell culture bags represent the most cost-effective way to harvest, expand, and concentrate critical cell cultures. Made of EVO copolymer, the Evolve bag contains no plasticizers or chemical residuals which could leach into and alter cell cultures. The larger size bags have hermetically sealed spike ports, and swabbable needle-free valves are provided on every bag. This will preserve sterile access and reduce the chance of needle sticks. These swabbable ports maintain sterility of the culture through multiple actuations. The bags are sold with either lure connections or tubing sets that may be connected to solution transfer pumps. Evolve bags are a closed system, which will reduce the possibility of contamination when compared to using a flask or a bottle. The Evolve bags are gas permeable and provide a high rate of oxygen and carbon dioxide transfer to cells under culture. Water permeability is very low, so water loss at small and humidified incubators are not required. The bag can safely be incubated at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. The Evolve bag has greater than 90% optical transmission, making inspection of the contents easy.
The Origen CryoBag freezing bag is the gold standard in cryopreservation. Used for nearly 30 years, it is the easiest and safest way to cryopreserve valuable tissue and cell cultures. The CryoBag is cleared by the FDA and CE marked. The CryoBag remains flexible with no significant decrease in mechanical strength at temperatures from negative 196 up to 200 degrees Celsius. The inner surface of the CryoBag is pure FEP, which has unsurpassed biocompatibility and contains no plasticizers or chemical residuals, so the bag will not alter materials stored inside. The outer layer is Kapton, which is gas impermeable, making the bag ideal for direct immersion in liquid nitrogen, and it will remain flexible during storage, thus ensuring your product usability post-thaw. Both layers are inert and contain no leachables or extractables. Where immersion in vapor phase is required, a self-adhesive tape seal is available, and when storing directly in liquid nitrogen, a standard heat seal is recommended. The bag itself is silk-screened with a writing area and has a convenient tear strip for easy access to your product post-thaw. The Origen CryoBag is indicated for use in protecting, storing, and cryopreservation of cells and tissues at any temperature, including direct immersion in liquid nitrogen.
The Origen Tissue Vault is used for freezing solid tissues and specimens at any temperature, including direct immersion in liquid nitrogen. The Tissue Vault is made from EVO, a proprietary copolymer which is well suited for long-term storage in liquid nitrogen and contains no plasticizers or chemical residuals. It is ideal for sensitive tissue, tissue fluids, and bone cryopreservation. The Tissue Vault bag seals at about 100 degrees Celsius and is simple to seal with any standard RF, impulse, or lab sealer, and a vacuum sealer may be used if desired. Although the bag has a matte finish, it has excellent transparency and it is quite easy to view the specimen or read labels through the film. Designed for use in vapor or liquid phase of liquid nitrogen, the Tissue Vault remains flexible at low temperatures down to minus 196 degrees Celsius. To open the bag post-thaw, merely cut the top seal off and remove contents as needed.
For more information about Origen Biomedical and our family of products, please visit us at origen.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-233-9014.